भगवते वासुदेवाय वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरु श्रीयुता पदकमलं
describes that the Lord is the cause, the original cause. And since no one knows the Lord, how is it possible for people to know how they are controlled? How can they know how they are controlled? Since no one knows Krishna and He is the original cause, how can they know this because of Krishna things are happening?
How can you know that you are controlled by this state? How can you know?
He has a problem.
Therefore you are lost. कृष्ण भूली गेला अतएव कृष्ण वेद पुराण करिला. Because you have forgotten Krishna, therefore Krishna has given you so many books, Vedic literature. Therefore I was stressing, don't waste your time in reading nonsense literature. Just concentrate your mind in this Vedic literature. Then you will know why these books are there, just to remind you to become lawful. But if you don't take advantage, then you are misusing your life. This preaching work, this publication of books, literature, magazines, the Krishna consciousness movement, everything is to remind you how we are being controlled, who is the supreme controller, how your life can be successful, how you can be relieved from this controlled life, how you can get freedom life. This is the movement, this Krishna consciousness movement is for that purpose, otherwise what is the utility of this movement? It is not a ism, just to make some temporary appeasement. It is the ultimate solution of all the problems of life, this Krishna consciousness movement. And this chanting is pavement of the heart, where you will receive this message. Cetadarpana marjana, cleansing the heart, then you will be able to receive the message. So our process is very scientific, authorized, and if anyone takes to it, you realize gradually and you will be elevated, there is no doubt about it. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare